FaceTab. Through this demo, we would like to show you how our contactless attendance and temperature monitoring system works. For example, when set up in an office environment. While entering the facility, the employees would go through the FaceTab system, which would scan their faces and temperature through built-in sensor. After the scan is complete, the details would be saved to the secure cloud storage. And all those details could be later accessed through the online dashboard. The UI of our FaceTab app is very intuitive. It shows all the necessary details, like name, ID, location, and whether the scan was successful or not. In any case, if the scan wasn't successful, it lets the user know that they need to do it manually. We also offer the dashboard utility to see all the details registered by the FaceTab devices. After the administrator has logged in, they would have access to all the data, like overall number of employees present, absent or late. They'll also be able to see the details for each individual employee, scanned by the FaceTab device. All these features would help the organization to easily and precisely monitor all of their employees.
We develop computer vision based products. So computer vision is form of machine learning which works on videos and images, and so we have built multiple products using those. And I've done my so I'll introduce myself. So I started my company while I was still in college in my third year start, and for like past 2 years I've been parallelly working on the company along with the academics. So I'm from IIT Bombay, so I have a major BTech degree in metallurgical engineering and material science, and a minor degree in entrepreneurship. So at IIT Bombay, I was part of multiple activity clubs like Web and Coding Club, Electronics Robotics Club, and we have won multiple competitions like ECEL, IIT Bombay ECEL Eureka, which is Asia's largest business model competition, as well as Startup Jalsa 2018. And we were also the finalist at International Entrepreneurship Competition in 2018. And we have also completed accelerators of IIT Bombay and IIT Madras, which are IDEAS program and iIncubate program respectively. So about Augilie, so as I told, like we develop computer vision based algorithms, and then we make product out of those. So computer vision is a form of machine learning which works on videos and images. So when I had started the company, like the vision was, we were generating huge amount of visual data through cameras, CCTV cameras, industrial cameras, phone cameras, etc. And all this data was analyzed manually, or basically it was not used optimally. So basically what computer vision allows us to do is that it allows us to analyze these images, extract patterns and information from this, which are equivalent or even better to human perception. And so you can do things like crowd analysis, then vehicle analytics, image segmentation and object detection, text recognition and facial recognition. So due to this COVID time, so one of the major areas where we are focusing right now is face recognition. So what has happened because of COVID-19 is that pre-COVID-19 you had these biometric fingerprint devices which were used for attendance, access control, and now basically all these devices have become useless because the virus spreads because of touch. Second, you have people, security guards or other people at every place where they are monitoring the temperature of the person using the thermal gun. Now, this is a recording this temperature basically involves a person, then you have to keep a record and you need to stop. So there's a human involvement, then there's also a risk that that person himself or herself would get COVID-19. So, and there's also cost a recurring cost involved with that person as well. So we are trying to solve these problems with a single product itself, through which basically uh, we want to identify the person, we want to detect the person's temperature, and do applications like attendance, access control, or visitor management. So this is our product. We call it FaceTab. So it so what we have done is we have developed our own face recognition algorithms, which we have optimized such that we can deploy these on phones as well as tablets. And along with that, we also have a temperature, a thermal sensor which connects with the phone itself. And so basically, the person has to walk in front of the device. So this, imagine that this device would be installed on a wall, so that people can just walk in front of it. They'll get detected if they are registered. Their temperature would be detected, and then they can go ahead. So basically, if the person is registered, then they can be identified, and their attendance could be marked, or access can be given to them. But let's say their temperature is in the range of fever. So basically, the admin would be notified. They won't be given access, and so this basically removes the necessity of having a security guard who is always present there. Plus, on top of it, it's completely contactless, and so there's no risk of virus spreading. Plus, on top of it, it's people don't need to buy any extra hardware. Like if you have any spare phone or a tablet, our software can be deployed on those as well. Now our software also comes with admin dashboard, cloud-based dashboard, through which basically the admins can register people, they can check attendance record, they can get analytics, and they'll have a log of temperatures of all their employees. They'll also get a notification if, let's say, someone with high temperature is detected, and so that they can take very quick action and ensure the safety of their workplace or work environment. Now, as I told, it's completely contactless, and so it we believe that this is gonna be the future. Like from this point and on, like a lot of at least in terms of biometrics, like contactless face recognition systems are gonna be very big, and we have designed the system in such a way, keeping this in mind, that we ensure the contactless experience all throughout the use of the product. Then it's completely made in India. Like the whole software is made in India, and it's made for India, as compared to others who might be importing the product from China and selling it here. And basically you can we have taken very strict measures to ensure the data privacy and security of data. And the data and the face recognition is happening completely locally on their devices, as well as the data is completely encrypted, which you cannot be sure of other devices which might be available in market, because most of them are imported from China, and there's a very high risk with your data security with those devices. Then temperature detection is a very core component of this, where employees or even visitors, their temperature can be detected, a log can be maintained. So just in case, let's say, and there's also traceability in system. So let's say in future, if any of the employees or let's say student is detected with coronavirus or COVID-19, so basically you'll have a list of all the people who would have come to your office or school or university, and you can notify the people, let's say, who were present on those days, that this person has contracted COVID-19. So please ensure you can test out and ensure the safety of your family. So this becomes very so here you don't have to be dependent on people's memory of whom they met. Instead, basically, you have a log in the system itself which you can easily access and easily convey the information, just in case if someone has been detected in future. Plus, on top of it, it also ensures that someone with high temperature is not allowed to enter the premises altogether. And the system is also cloud enabled, so you can access the dashboard or the data of the device. Admin can log in from anywhere, and basically there's no server in between. The admin can directly access the device itself. So keeping data security in mind and removing all the middle players which might make bad use of the data. So we have ensured that it's end to end and it's also encrypted. Yeah.